New South Wales Police arrested 45 people and seized more than 500 firearms and weapon parts as part of National Illicit Firearms Week, a nationwide crackdown on illegal and 3D printed weapons.
Police search warrant, open the door! Police search warrant!
The week-long operation, led by the State Crime Command's Drug and Firearms Squad, ran from 13 to 19th of October, in coordination with federal and New Zealand authorities. Across New South Wales, officers executed 20 search warrants, laid more than 200 charges, and inspected over 1,600 firearm storage sites. In total, police located 270 guns, 89 weapon parts, 19 imitation firearms, and 143 de-printed weapons or components. Among the most significant discoveries were live 3D printers, allegedly producing firearm parts in Hinchinbrook and Gosford, where 2 men were arrested and refused bail. Other raids in Adelong, Katara and Belfield uncovered prohibited weapons, ammunition, and homemade firearms. Police said investigations into the illicit manufacture and importation of firearms remain ongoing.
We'll do a short trip anyway, okay?